Hello students. Next topic is close packing in crystals. In order to understand the packing of particles in the crystals, it is assumed that these particles are hard sphere of identical size. And the packing takes place in such a way that they occupy maximum available space. First is close packing in one dimension. There is only one way of arranging the sphere in one dimensional closed packed structure. This is to arrange them in a row and touching each other. In this arrangement, each sphere is in the contact with two of its neighbor. And the number of nearest neighbors of a particle is called its coordination number. It means in one dimensional closed packed structure, coordination number is 2. When rows are placed over each other, two-dimensional closed packed structure is produced. This can be done by two ways. First one is when the sphere of second rows are exactly above those of first one. Then this type of arrangement is called AA type arrangement. And in this case, each sphere is in the contact with four of its neighbor. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means its coordination number is 4, and this packing is known as pure close packing in two dimension. And the second method is when the sphere fit in the depression of first one, and then this arrangement is called AB type arrangement. In this arrangement, one sphere is in the contact with six others, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, its coordination number is 6, and this is known as hexagonal close packing. In this arrangement, there is a less free space, and this packing is more efficient than square close packing. Next is close packing in three dimensions. First is three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional square close packed layer. The second layer is placed over the first layer, that is square close packed layer, such that the sphere of layers are exactly above those of base layer. In this arrangement, the spheres of both the layers are aligned horizontally as well as vertically. Similarly, we can place more layer one above the other. If the arrangement of sphere in the base layer is A, it means all the layers have same arrangement, and this type of arrangement is called AA type pattern. Next is three-dimensional close packing from two-dimensional two-dimensional hexagonal closed packed layer. In this case, the base layer shown in the figure, spheres are marked as A, and there are two types of void A and B, and both are triangular in shape. When second layer is placed in such a way that its sphere find the place in A voids of the first layer, and B will be left unoccupied, then second layer is marked as B. Again, in the second layer, there are two types of voids, B and C. And C void is surrounded by 4 spheres and D surrounded by 6 spheres. A simple triangular void like C in a crystal is surrounded by 4 spheres is called tetrahedral void or a hole. A double triangular void like D is surrounded by 6 spheres and it is known as octahedral void or hole. Now, there are two ways to form the third layer. When third layer is placed over the first and then second, that is B layer, in such a way that sphere cover the C void, then its arrangement is same as that of A. It means this pattern is known as AB type pattern and hexagonal close packing. And the second method is when third layer is placed over the second layer in such a way that sphere cover the octahedral void, that is D void. Then one new layer is formed that is C layer. That's why this arrangement is known as ABC pattern or cubic close packing. In both hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing, a sphere is in contact with 6 other spheres in its own layer, and it touches directly 3 spheres in the layer above and 3 below. It means a sphere has 12 close neighbors. That is its coordination number. It means the coordination number is equal to 12. Now, formula of a compound from the number of voids. In a closed packed structure, there are two types of voids, that is tetrahedral void and octahedral void. And the number of octahedral void is equal to number of particles present in closed packing. And tetrahedral void is equal to 2 into number of octahedral void or 2 into number of particles present in closed packing. Now, sum based on this. Atoms of element B form hexagonal close packing lattice, and those of element A occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral void. What is the formula of compound formed by these elements A and B? Atoms of B forms hexagonal close packing. It means number of atoms B in HCP, let it is equal to N. And as the tetrahedral void is double the number of close packing, it means number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2n. And the element A occupies 2/3 of tetrahedral void. It means it is equal to 2n into 2 by 3. And the ratio of A and B is 4:3, and its formula is A4B3. Next is a compound is formed by two elements X and Y. Atoms of element Y makes cubic close packing, and atoms of X occupy all the octahedral voids. What is the formula of compound? Now, the CCP lattice is formed by element Y, and we know the number of octahedral void equal to the number of atoms of Y present in it. And X is occupied by the octahedral void. It means both X and Y are equal. It means their ratio is 1:1, and formula of compound is XY. A compound is formed by two elements M and N. The element N forms cubic close packing, and atom of M occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral void. What is the formula of compound? Suppose atom N in CCP is equal to N. Therefore, the number of tetrahedral void is equal to 2n. And N form the CCP, and atoms of M occupy 1/3 of this tetrahedral void. 1/3 of tetrahedral void means atoms of M is equal to 2n divided by 3. Therefore, the ratio is 2:3, and the formula is M2N3.